Hello, my name is Natalie Gomez, and in this presentation we'll be discussing nonverbal communication. Nonverbal communication is communication done without words. There are many forms of nonverbal communication behaviors, such as facial expressions, eyes, touch, tone of voice, as well as less obvious nonverbal communication, such as clothing, posture, and personal space between two or more people. For example, our facial expression is a critical first nonverbal communication. A smile can indicate openness and welcome you, and eye contact can show interest and communicate as a sign of respect. People usually remember less of what is said and more of what is communicated through nonverbal communication. In this slide, we see an older lady who is avoiding eye contact, has no smile, and a frown. Her clothing and her hairstyle indicates poor stature. Her body posture, with her arm behind her back and her shoulders sagging, communicates a sense of exhaustion. Her overall appearance shows a nonverbal communication of both sadness and a sense of exhaustion. My impression of her is that she has been through some hard times. In this slide, we see an older gentleman who has a pleasant expression on his face while working. He appears to be well groomed, clean, and nourished, which leads me to believe he is able to provide for himself financially. The style of work clothing and working to shows that his photo was taken back in the day. His posture shows familiarity, relaxation, and strength due to the lack of tenseness and satisfying smile on his face. His overall appearance displays a sense of love and pride for his craftsmanship. In this slide, we see an African American who by his upright, stiff posture displays a sense of strength and confidence. His style of clothing indicates that this picture was taken around the 1920s. He appears to be well-groomed and nourished, as indicated by his style of clothing that he is of high stature. His overall appearance in this photo displays pride, dignity, and authority. He seems to be a man of great honor and importance. In this slide, we see a young African girl, which by her facial expression communicates a sense of annoyance and disgust. Her eyes are squinted, frowned, and a wrinkled up nose. Her arms are crossed, communicating a sense of defensiveness and standoffish. Her posture is upright and shows strength. Her hairstyle and clothing shows rips and is of poor quality, showing she is of low stature. However, her overall appearance communicates she is uninterested and close-minded, however, well-supported and loved, as displayed by those standing close behind her. This concludes my presentation on nonverbal communication. Thank you for your time and have a great day.